Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Shiva in terms of arts. First of all, let's have a look at the introduction first. Shaivism is one of the main sects of Hinduism. Lord Shiva's Nataraj Mudra depicts various forms of art. The idol of Nataraj in dancing posture is a prime example of Chol sculpture. He holds in his upper right hand a damru or drum that is a symbol of creation and fire in the left hand that is a symbol of destruction. Whereas the lower right hand indicates blessings in Abhay Mudra and the lower left hand points out towards the foot held aloft which represents salvation. Now let's discuss about major Shiv temples in India. First of all, Shiv temples of North and Northeast India. First is Kedarnath Temple, Uttarakhand. It is one of the 12 abodes of Lord Shiv or the Jyotirling temples and a sacred pilgrimage center in northern India. As a very famous Shiv temple of India, it is situated amidst the Garhwal Himalaya range. Next is Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Varanasi. It is one of the most famous temples of Shiva. It is also known as the Golden Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiv. It was built in 1780 by Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar of Maratha Empire, Indore. Next is Tarkeshwar Shiv Temple, West Bengal. It is also called as Baba Taraknath Temple. Here, Shiva's Shayambhu Ling is worshipped. It is believed to have been built in the 18th century by the king Bharamalla. The temple has intricate carvings and beautiful murals depicting the architecture of Bengal. Next is Baidyanath Shiv Temple, Jharkhand. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlings. According to the mythology, Lord Shiv played the role of a physician after Ravan offered himself to behead. Pilgrims perform annual Kawad Yatra to this temple. Om Mandir, Aizawl, Mizoram. It is one of the famous Hindu temples of the state. It is located in the capital state of Mizoram. Kolasip Shiv Temple is another famous Hindu temple in Mizoram. Kirateshwar Mahadev Temple, Sikkim. On the left banks of the river Rangit is a Shiv temple known as the Kirateshwar Mahadev Mandir. The main attractions of the temple include the festival of Bal Chaturdashi, Mahashivratri, etc. Now let's discuss about Shiv temples of West and Central India. First is Kandaria Mahadev Temple, Khajuraho. It is a 10th century AD temple which is 109 feet high and 60 feet wide. The temple entrance is a circular and has an open passage around the sanctum. A marble link is a symbol of Lord Shiv in the sanctum sanctorum, and the figure of goddess Ganga and Yamuna at the base of pillars. Mahakaleshwar Temple, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. It is a Jyotirling temple and considered to be the holiest of all Shiv temples in India. It is situated on the banks of river Shipra in Ujjain. The speciality of this temple is the south-facing ling, and it is believed that the lingam itself originated here, means it is Swayambhu. Lingaraj Shiv Temple, Odisha. It is an incredible piece of Kalinga architecture. It is the largest temple in Bhubaneswar. It was constructed by Somvanshi dynasty in Deula style, in which the main parts are Viman, that is structure for the sanctum, Jagmohan, hall for Sabha, Nat Mandir, that is hall for celebration, Bhog Mandap, it is a hall where offerings are made. Somnath Shiv Temple, Gujarat. It is also considered as the first Jyotirling temple of the country. Also, it is an important Shiv temple in India. The temple was rebuilt several times due to frequent invasions by various Muslim rulers, last completed construction in 1951 in Chalukya style of architecture. A notable structure of this temple is the Baan Stambha or arrow pillar. Next is Triambakeshwar Shiv Temple, Maharashtra. It is an ancient temple of Hinduism located in Nasik, Maharashtra. It is a Jyotirling. The origin of the holy river Godavari is believed to be near the city of Trimbak in Nasik. In this temple, there is a three-faced ling of Shiv, Brahma and Vishnu. The present temple is built by Peshwa Balaji Bajirao and it is constructed from basalt. Next is Kailashnath Temple, Maharashtra. This temple is located in Ellora. The temple is one of the 34 temples situated in Ellora. It is a splendid example of Rashtrakuta architecture of the Rashtrakuta dynasty who ruled between 6th to 10th century AD. This is the largest rock-cut temple in India. It also has a megalith made of a single rock. Now let's discuss about Shiv temples of South India. First is Badami Cave Shiv Temple, Bangalore, Karnataka. The temple of its cave number 1 are dedicated to Lord Shiv. Its idol has the image of Nataraj with 18 hands. And this idol depicts 81 dance postures. Next is Brihadeshwara Shiv Temple, Tamil Nadu. It is the best example of Dravidian architecture. It is situated on the banks of river Kaveri in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. It is one of the exemplary Shiv temples in India. It was built between 1001 AD and 1010 AD by the popular king Raj Raja Chol. The temple has been declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. The giant Viman tower made of granite over the sanctum. It is the best of all the temples and monuments built by the Chol dynasty. Next is Srikalahasti Shiv Temple, Andhra Pradesh. This temple is one of the 5 ghost sites of the country. It is situated in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh. It is said that this was the place where the famous devotee Kanappa offered both his eyes to Lord Shiva to stop the blood flowing from the Shivling. Vadakunathan Shiv Temple, Kerala. It is one of the most popular Shiv temples in South India. The first temple built by the famous sage Parshuram. Lord Shiv is worshipped as Vadkunathan in this temple. This temple is built in typical Kerala style using wood and stone. It has huge towers standing on all 4 sides with Kutambalam. Mahashivratri and Thrissur Puram festival is celebrated with great grandeur. Chidambaram Shiv Temple, Tamil Nadu. Chidambaram Nataraj Temple is an artistic temple of the Chol dynasty. This grand temple was built in the 10th century. Shiv is depicted in the temple in the form of Nataraj, that is, the dancing god. There are also 108 currents of Natya Shastra elaborately carved on the walls of the temple. Temple architecture paints a picture of the beautiful relationship between art and spirituality. Now let's discuss about some other facts related to it. The believer of Shiv is divided into many sects such as Pashupat, Kapalika, Lingayat and Kashmiri Shaivism. The Pashupat sect, the oldest sect of the Shaivs, it was founded by the Brahmin named Lakuli or Lakulish. Kapalika sect, it is the second of the sect of Shaivs. Its worshippers worship Bhairav as an incarnation of Shiv. Basav Kalyani, the founder of the Lingayat sect, is believed to be the minister of the Kalachuri king Vijjal. It is widely believed to have spread to South India in the 12th century. They worshipped Ling and Nandi. New sect of Shaivism in Kashmir is called Kashmiri Shaivism. This is purely philosophical and enlightened sect. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.